Welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can auto reframe in Capcut. So in here, I want to reframe this video. So this video is currently on 16 by 9 format, and I want to, let's say, uh, reframe it into a square. So what you need to do is just click on the video here and go to basic. Scroll down until you find the auto reframe options. This one, click on the box to enable the feature and just select the aspect ratio that you want. So click on the aspect ratio here. I'm going to go with square, and now CapCut will automatically reframe the video. Here you can also adjust the image stabilization and also camera moving speed if you want to. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.